Hi guys, welcome back to Visayang Tagalog kitchen. Okay, tonight we are cooking a very simple dish. We call it chicken macaroni soup. So, quarantine man taon. So, di nakagawas. So, what are resources or what inside our refrigerator we just cook. So, anyhow cook can na. Okay, so here's are the ingredients. For this recipe, we need the following ingredients: ginger, onion, garlic, and carrots. We also need hot dogs and a boiled chicken. Ato na siyang ipabukalan kanina, and we strip in small pieces. We separate the bone and the meat. Also, we need spring onion, pechay, or you can also use cabbage. We need also macaroni, evaporated milk, and a chicken broth. For the seasoning, we also need black pepper, garlic powder, salt, and an olive oil. Okay guys, we can start cooking. So first we preheat the pot and put a little bit of oil. We saute the onion. Garlic. We add the garlic and then the ginger. If the onion and garlic turn brown, you can add your hot dog. If you see the hot dog almost cooked, you can add your chicken. Takkuban sa na to and let the chicken and sausage or the hot dog to be cooked. Okay, once the hot dog and chicken already cooked, mix it a bit. Then you can add your chicken broth. Cover it and allow it to boil for another 5 minutes. Okay, now you can season it with black pepper, okay, you can add a bit garlic powder, sprinkle it, and a little bit salt. Now you can add your carrots. Mix it and boil it for another 3 minutes. Okay, now you can add your macaroni. Mix it and cover it. Wait until the macaroni is already cooked. Okay, now after 5 minutes of boiling, the macaroni almost cooked. You can now add milk and mix it. And boil it until the macaroni is cooked. After a minute of cooking and the macaroni already cooked, we can add now the cabbage or the pechay and mix it. Then add the spring onion. Now you can turn off your stove. The dish is now ready to be served. Garnish with some spring onion. And here's our dish. Chicken macaroni soup. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and click the bell button below for notification. Thanks for watching my VisLog and see you to the next vlog. Bye!